everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at a wicked cool, very rare 1986 Mercury Capri ASC McLaren. Very low production cars. This is one of 250 convertibles produced. It's one of 12 in this color combination. This is the only year, I guess, they actually had the EFI. It's got the factory 5-liter 302 fuel injected engine in it, automatic overdrive trans. Just a neat car, guys. 16,000 original miles on this car. It's got the factory style mesh wheels on it. It's still got the Goodyear Eagle VR60s on it. Neat car, like I say, very low production car and exceptionally nice. Couple little things you can kind of pick at because it's original. I kind of point that stuff out as we go by. Seen a couple little stone pecks, just a few little things like that. But other than that, I mean, this is just a true collector piece. I actually had one of these when I was 16. It was a 83 5-liter with a 4-speed in it. Fun car to drive. It's got the factory Recaro buckets. I think somebody said that's a $1,200 option. This is a new top. They did replace the top on this car, so it's like brand new. One of the guys here, Gary, actually worked on these cars coming down the line. They were conversions done by ASC. So he knew all about these cars. Neat car. Again, very low production. Like I say, one of 12 in this color combination. And like I said, I think it was either 250 or 254 they built. It's in the trunk. We've got the documentation for the production numbers. Again, factory style, mesh wheels. Of course, it's got the disc brakes. Factory 5-liter HO EFI, just bone stock, power steering, power disc brakes, air conditioning blows cold, automatic overdrive trans. The mufflers on it still have the Ford Motor Company stamping on it, so. Guys, going to want to see all those original stampings. They're all on it. This has been somebody's baby doll right here. Somebody has kept this thing extremely nice. It's a little bit of cracking. I'm sure this stuff was all added. You can see I mean, everything really works on it. The door buzzer works. Power windows, power locks. This is your trunk release and your top release on the other side, of course, power top. Again, it's got the Recaro buckets with the speakers in the seats. I believe these are power too. Cruise. It's all factory in here. It's got the wood grain dash, factory tacking gauges, 16431, and that is original. Factory am-fm radio. I'm not real sure what that is. That little Spectrum Whistler there. Factory bucket seats, center console. Yeah, dual exhaust, stock rear end, just like it would have come out of the factory. Clean CarFax owner's manual. Again, there's your production numbers. I think it's ASC American Sunroof Company is actually who did these conversions. And like I say, Gary, if you want a little information on it, call, ask for Gary. He actually worked for Ford at the time and watched these come down the line. Bone stock underneath. We did not really touch the underneath of this car, just left it alone. 16,000 original miles, that's what it should look like. Super nice car, man. Very, very cool. Driver's power. Yeah, they're both power. There's all your... I'm not real sure what that is. Spectrum Whistler. I have to check that out. I'm not real sure where my son is. Well, we'll have to stop this, pick it back up. Oh, here he comes. He's coming. Must get caught on the phone. Yeah, this is the only year, I guess, for the EFI. Air does blow cold. Set the hood, Nathan. It's got a prop rod from the factory. Tach works. All the gauges are functional. This thing's holding. Matter of fact, we're a little low on gas. A little low fuel light works. Clock works. Nathan's 6'4". So you get in there pretty comfortably. Not too bad. Radio does work. Again, blower motor, all that stuff works. Doors open and close real nice. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video. Check us out on TikTok. That's new.